Everybody, it's Willie G with the Early Birds. Jim and I are here today to talk to you about what we're doing to help our team. Really excited here to make some great things happen. There we go. I lost Jim for a second. Make some great things happen. We have so much information to give you today. We don't know where to begin. I did a Facebook Live on it and talked about our energy and talked about our direction, and we're really lifting people up and we're moving this thing forward. Okay, who are the Early Birds? Early Birds is a group or a community of people that help you with your advertising. We help you do two major things. And the two things that you do, no matter actually if you're online or offline, your focus is going to be on advertising and income. Those are the two important things that you need in order to move your business forward. Okay, you got to have income in order to buy advertising. You need advertising to get more sales in. You already know how that goes. So today, what we're going to do is we're going to break down an important piece to what we do. We have so many tools, guys. We give you free tools. We give you lead capture pages. We give you downline builder systems. We give you our media center to where you can come into our rotator for a featured program. We're going to talk about that. But today we're going to focus on the Early Birds downline builder. You have seen promotions for one of our primary businesses is called Infinity Push. Infinity Push, I just had somebody today come in and ask me about Infinity Push. I forgot to tell you about that, Jim. And we had a great conversation. And Infinity Push is a system that does the same thing. It provides advertising and income. Well, we have our in-house system that Jim put together. And he put a lot of hours and hard work into this too. But he put this system together. It's really simple, really easy. He's going to break down the structure. I'm going to ask questions, as we're going through it to really get you to think and get you to understand what we're doing. And then we'll phase over to our media center and talk more about our featured program. All right, Jim. Let me see. You are there and you're not. You're there. I can see that you're on now. All right, buddy. However you want to do this, let's rock and roll. It's on you now.
A bit busy. My fingers are hurting. Okay. Today I'm going to explain a little bit of the downline builder, the Early Birds downline builder. It's, the website's earlybirdsdownline.com. And there you go. In all of the Hangouts, I've been telling everybody, you need advertising to make sales and what have you. So I've put together a system. It's not unique. It's not the first time it's ever been done, but it's the first time Early Birds have done it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you a walkthrough of how. Oh, by the way, today, before I forget it, I'm giving away $40,000 worth of free points.
Okay, wait a minute. Wait. Time out. Let me jump in here real quick. Okay, and I asked this before. You said 40,000, like 40,000, $40,000.
$40,000 worth of free advertising.
Okay, I think we should talk about that in detail. Let's talk about that in detail at the end. Don't give it to them right now. Just kind of talk about that. Make them wait.
Make it in.
Yeah, make them wait. Okay, I'll shut up. All right, Jim.
Right. Okay. I'm gonna do a walkthrough of the earlybirdsdownline.com, and you'll see the benefits on the walkthrough. So first, I'm sharing my screen. Am I sharing my screen, ready?
Yes, sir. You got it.
Okay. Right. I'll give a walkthrough of the page and what it does. So we've set this up. It's a simple downline tool, downline builder, excuse me. But it's more than that. But we'll go through here. When you've signed up to the system, you'll promote one URL. That URL will bring your prospects to this page. Remember, it's a downline builder. So the first thing they'll join from your link, or they'll come to this page with your link. Now, in your back office, you'll set up your blog or your site. You'll set up your Facebook profile and your Twitter profile. You'll also set up the programs of your choice. Here, the links. So basically, you're advertising your top 5 programs, a downline builder, email collection tool, because remember, when I go in the back office, I'll show you can actually collect the emails from just giving away this system. They can join for free. There is a paid versions, but you can join as a free version, no problem. But what it does is one link. You promoting one link. So I'll presume you've joined. You log in, and you see these ads. These are ads you can use your points. You can load in your back office if you want to put a login ad via the points what you've got or you earned or you bought. So when someone logs in, they'll see that for 15 seconds, and then they'll get directed to their back office, so we'll say, every time they log in. So I've tried to make it as simple as possible. This banner here, I'm going to put the media center. I thought I was going to get that done today, but the graphics is not ready. So this will be a link to the Early Birds Media Center. And remember, Early Birds Media Center, below the videos is the link to at the minute, our project, what we're promoting is the global 2x2 system. But again, I think Willie will go into that later. So anyway, to start here, you have to do this first. So I'll try to make it simple. Edit your details. So you edit your details. You put in here, it's pretty self-explanatory. Yeah? You put your name, your password, and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I need the BTC wallet address to pay commissions. Now, even as a free member, you can earn commissions. So don't think because you're a free member, you can't make any money out of this. And this is, again, a way of trying to help people create an income from the advertising. You can add your Twitter, your Facebook, your blog address over here and click Save Settings. When you've done that, the next thing you need to do is set up your downline builder. Now remember, everybody you bring into this Early Birds downline program will do the same thing, and they'll scroll highly recommended programs. So I'll give you an example. This is Infinity Push. If you're already a member, you just pop in your username, click update. If you're not, or the person who you referred isn't a member, they'll click Infinity Push. It'll then give them your URL. That's how the downline builder works. So everybody who joins via your link, if they're not already a member, when they come to update this, if they're not already a member, you'll get the sign up. If they're already a member, so be it. They'll put in the username and then click update. Global 2x2. They might not be a member, or hopefully they're not a member because you want to sign up. They'll click it, then it'll take them to your sign up page. You get the idea? If you're a member, you put your username in. If you're not a member, you just leave it blank. If you don't want to join the program, but what that will do is it'll give your sponsors link instead of if you haven't joined the program. So either way, as it goes down the line, shall we say, the viral effect, you will either get your downline sponsor and your links for you, or it'll build your downline. Both ways. Fund My Cause, exactly the same system. They click it, it'll go to Fund My Cause link. So that's the next step. You fill in your links. These are all our team build programs, and they're all, again, advertising income streams. You'll see a pattern with the Early Birds if you haven't visited before. So once you've done that, the next step, edit your links. And this is where, I'm not going to, it'll take a long time to go through this, and I don't want to bore everyone to death, but if you just read from the top, just follow the instructions, it's very clear. Your favorite links. Now remember, on the first page I showed you, you had your 5 programs and your Twitter and what have you. So if these are the programs that are going to be on your main page, and these are any programs you like. I'm obviously pushing the team builder programs, Infinity Push, Traffic Boost, URL, and literally, just fill in the links and the banners, fill in the details, and press Save Links.
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
So you said whatever they want to promote. So are they required to be in every one of our programs?
No. They can promote anything they want on their main page. They've got 5 main programs recommended by them.
Okay.
It's a freedom of choice. That's we're not saying you have to join everything we join, but it's a promotional tool for anything they like. It's freedom of choice on that one. So once you fill those details in, you save the links on each. Save the links for your favorites, save the links for your banners and whatever. And then the next step, promotional resources. Over here, we'll try to do this. I try to do it daily. You can go over here, your Twitter, tweet it direct from the page. You can tweet it. So I'll do a test. Tired of promoting tons of, yes. Now, instead of if you imagine all these links, what you've just put in your back page, you're promoting every one of them with one link. Oh, I've already sent that message today, so I can't do that. I told you I do it every day. So anyway, you go here. We've got some email signatures you can copy out. Give everything a good read over, and you'll see everybody you're bringing in does this.
Hey Jim, I have a question.
Yeah, go for
all
it.
those banners. Can you scroll down to the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
All those banners that are on the side and on the bottom. Who actually puts those banners in there? Is that something that you do just to promote early birds, or?
No. This is the whole idea. When you join up as a free member, we'll give points. Or a silver member or a premium member, you'll get points, and you use those points to place your banners. Again, anything you want, as long as it's not naughty banners or anything distasteful, shall we say. We have to approve the banners, but basically freedom of choice. But you use those points to place the banners on this membership site. So as people are logging in and doing their daily surfing and clicking the ads and what have you, they'll see your banners. It's but again, I'll just go back here. So once you've done that, that's the basic setup. Okay, and then daily tasks. Do this daily. Your affiliate tools. You click that. And I've set up this is your referral URL. That's main in this case. We've got a splash page, images. You've got HTML text or a banner image. So you can just copy that. Some places ask you for a HTML code and some places ask you for a URL. So you've got them both there. And I've put them in, all different sizes. So if you want to place them in rev shares and traffic exchanges and whatever, we've got a good selection.
So what you're saying is, let me inject something here, that we literally could share these banners. It says the Early Birds Downline Builder. You can share that banner, and like ad hits and other sources out there. And when people hit the banner, it brings them to the page that has all 5 of whatever businesses that you load on there.
Exactly. It's basically a way of bringing them around in a circle. That's what I want to do. It's that's the plan. Again, yesterday I said I cross promote, and I do a lot of cross promoting with the Early Birds downline. And once I get them to here, they join the downline builder. I get signups from the downline builder. I get signups in this system itself. I make commissions from the system. To be honest, I don't cash the commissions out because I just put it back in. I use the commissions, and again I'll show you in a minute. But there's tools there to advertise for sure. If you go over your affiliate tools, you'll also see at the top how many points you actually have. At the minute, I've got that many, and then how much commission you're owed. That's a good bit, and I've said I'm going to change that. I'm going to pay commissions out every Friday, even May time, Belgium time. So once a month's not often enough. So if people are promoting, they want to see the big coins. That's for sure. So I'm going to pay out every Friday.
Okay, whoa! You just hit on something. 2 things. Yeah. One, you make money with this. That's in the advertising and income, and you pay out in Bitcoin.
I pay out in Bitcoin.
All right.
Yeah, in Bitcoin. But again, it says the 15th of every month, and I have been busy, really busy, and there's 2 or 3 things I haven't quite finished, but that'll change. So every Friday evening, I'll pay that out in Bitcoin. And again, in your settings, you put your Bitcoin wallet. If you haven't got your Bitcoin wallet, I won't be paying you. So you have to make sure you put in a Bitcoin wallet in the edit your details section over here. I'll just go back to it. Edit your details, Bitcoin wallet. You place a Bitcoin wallet address in there. click Save Settings, and then you're good. As long as I know where to pay you, I'll pay you. But if it's blank, there's a few people got commissions, to be honest, and I've been trying to chase them and they haven't even answered the email. It's not a fortune, but there's money lying there from people who've earned commissions who didn't put in the Bitcoin wallet address. So it's important when, follow the steps, take your time, don't rush it. So the daily chores anyway, view your referrals. You can see here, you'll see a list of referrals that you've made. You'll see where they came from. You can click and you've got access to those people. It's like network marketing within. I know these people, there's some people I don't know. I click the button, I can go visit their site. And I can earn points from visiting their site and visiting their ads, which I'll show you in a second. So you can view your referrer site. You can view your referral sites. Post to Twitter, which we just did that before, but I already did it today, so I can't do it twice. Now this is the excuse me. This next section, advertising, and this you want to do this daily as well. So first section. Set up your advertising and stats. Again, you can. I'll get to the promo in a minute. At the 3 points, I'm going to get to that. Like Willie said last, what you can do is, if you have commissions and you're running out of points, because when you place a banner, a solo ad, you can even solo ad the whole membership base, and it'll arrive in the emails. So if you want to send a message out to every member in this system. By a solo email, and we'll send it out to every member, not just your members. But if you're running out of points, you can redeem points here. Trade commissions for points. So if you don't want to buy the extra points in PayPal or coin payment, and you've got some commissions lying there, convert the points. Click submit, and now you have more points to use. If you haven't got any points in commissions and you're running low on points, you can buy points. And I've set it really low. It's $2 for 1,000 points. And I'll just give you a quick example here on PayPal. If you click the button, quick example. And now that's quantity 1. If you want to buy $10 worth, so you just change the quantity to 5. So that would give you 5,000 points. And then it automatically changes the amount that you're going to pay. So I'll just go back over here. I've tried to keep it PayPal. It's not like a MLM program or everything. So far so good. It could disappear, PayPal, but personally I prefer if you pay with coins because the PayPal fees are ridiculous. But anyway, you can purchase points, and then with those points, you can purchase banner ads. Now remember, when you join as a free, we're giving you a certain amount of points already. As a silver member, you get 47,000 points, I think it is, and a premium member, 67,000 points. So you can use those points up first. When you join, you don't have to start spending money. You can join this for free and get your ads up without any cost. So there you can purchase banner ad. There you can purchase solo ad, and that's what I was saying before. We'll charge $10 or 10,000 points. And again, that solo ad goes out to all the members. Purchase traffic links. It's self-explanatory, and I'll go through where all these ads are. Navigation links and a login ad. When I first logged in, before you seen an ad, that's where you would purchase that login ad. And you get 1,000 views for the point for the payment. You've got your stats at the bottom. Again, self-explanatory. So once you've purchased those banner ads or login ads or what have you with the points, you're off. Now there's one way to advertise. The other way of collecting, that's one way of making, buying points or solo ads or whatever. The other way of doing it is you can actually earn points. So you can advertise here, post you can post free ads. I'll just give you an example. So you can post these free ads daily, and there's a limit for free members, there's a higher limit for silver members, and there's a higher limit again. You know, the higher you are in the system, you can post more. So once you can set up an ad here, and you can save the ad, and then just to give you an example, get paid 3 ways. I can post that ad now. So I'm going to post it. Post your text ad. I've got 15 posts left today, so it's done. I'm a platinum member. I've already did a few this morning. You can post HTML ads. Again, you can save them. Let's just do this one. I'll post that one just as an example. So once you've set it up again, don't rush it. Set everything up properly. And then you can post ads out to other members in this system, because when they're logging in, these ads are popping up all over the place on all the different pages. You can email your own referrals. That doesn't cost you any money or any points, should we say? Sorry. You can email your own. So if you promote this and you've got 150 personal referrals, you can email them directly from the system. Just click the button, write the email, stick a HTML picture in there, whatever, and submit, and it sends it to your referrals. It doesn't cost you any points. You don't lose points. Now, like I said, I showed you in the last page there, you can buy points or you can earn them for free. And to earn them, you go over here, earn credits, view traffic links. And I'll give you a quick example. Click this link below to earn points. So let's have a look. This is somebody, so I'll click that. Let's have a look what it says. Now, if you look at the top of the page, you will earn 150 credits after, and then there's a countdown timer. When the timer's done, you've watched the ad, you've earned points. It's done. So you go back over here. You can earn credits for viewing text ads. Again, you're loading your ads. So, internally, the members, let's just have a look. There's no ads there at the minute. Recommended Infinity Boost. That's a traffic link ad. If I just click that, just an example. That's one of my own. So you're sending members to whatever the traffic links you've purchased. But every time you view any members' ads, you'll earn points. So that you can get away with it. The lazy way, not lazy, shall we say, time efficient, buy some points. Once you're running out of points, but ideally, click some points, click some advertisements, and earn the points. You can earn credits with solo email ads. Just an example. If a member, just an example, if a member say I buy a solo email ad, it goes out to all the members. When you receive that ad in your email box, when you click, there's a link at the bottom. Click this link and you'll earn X amount of points. So you earn points by viewing the other members' emails. So if you're buying the solo email campaign, you know that those ads are getting seen. Because the incentive is they're going to click these ads, click the links to earn the points. So again, big circle, everything's coming around. And again, I'm going to add more things in here, but the bonus, we've got a viral URL cloaker. Sometimes, you've got this long URL for your affiliate products. You come over here, you click this tool. It's very simple. I've made it so it's not overly complicated and whatever. You put your URL in this box. Your affiliate, it could be a huge long affiliate link, or it could be a banned link. Watch out from Facebook or Google Plus or whatever. And then literally click submit and it'll give you a new link. So the example, Hitsmonkey, that was the original URL. This is the cloaked URL. So click that the link, and that'll pop up. But what it also does is it's a way of promoting your downline builder internally. You put this up, do this on RevShare's example. Every time this page opens, at the top is a recommended link, and it says this URL is cloaked for free at earlybirdsdownline.com. When they click that, it's a sign up for you. So it's actually, it's beneficial to use this cloaker, because every time someone, views this page, there's a link here. Where did this come from? What's that about? And they click it, and it's literally, I'll show you, they click it, and it brings them to your sign up page for your downline builder. So you get a sign up. And when they're doing the setting up the downline system, you'll get sign-ups for sure in the downline builder system, but you'll also earn commissions if that person either upgrades or buys points. Not just the first time they buy points, literally forever. If they buy points, if from now or for the next 2 years, you'll earn commissions every time they buy points. You make a one-off commission.
That's like an ad within an ad. That's pretty neat.
Exactly. And I've done it the same system as well. It's taken a lot of work to figure it all out, to be honest. The other bonus is the URL rotator.
I love that thing.
I love it. Again, I've made it so simple. You've got, as a free member, you're limited to the amount of URLs. Again, the higher level you are, the more. I think it's 100. I'll go through the figures in a bit. I think it's about 100 as a top member. And what, if you can see, I use it all the time, but I'm just going to give you a quick example. I'm going to set one up really quick. Yes, you can have 100 as a premium, a platinum member, sorry. But I'll just set up a new one just to give you an example. So if they create a new rotator, and the rotator has been added, and you can see I've got a lot going on, but that's the new one. So at the minute it's blank. Yeah? So what I'll do is I'll just give you a quick example. I'm going to copy this one, copy this URL, paste it in here. So this is the URL that I want to rotate, add to the rotator. Sometimes I do it with even just one URL again. So instead of having earlybirdsdownline.com or HitsMonkey or MyPaying Ads or Infinity Push, blah blah, I use this one as my link to click, and I'll show you why. Same scenario. This rotator was free at earlybirdsdownline.com. Get your own today, and it's on the top of every time that person clicks your link. That link at the top is there, and you're advertising the Early Birds downline. If they click the link, it's a sign up for you. It's a contact. It's what we said. Internet marketing is about networking. You're picking up, even if you don't pick up a sale or make points from that person, you're making contact. You'll see the Facebook links for that person. You'll see what they're promoting. They'll see what you're promoting, vice versa. So it's a way, using that I've lost my thoughts now. Using the URL, the URL rotator is absolutely priority for me, because, like I said, instead of just clicking the HitsMonkey, I can put my HitsMonkey on an ad. They'll go to HitsMonkey, or they'll go to MyPaying Ads or wherever. But if they click it via there, I've got a free advert for me downline builder already built into the HitsMonkey ad. It's like a double whammy, should I say? So it's very, if you think about it, once you've set it up, it's so easy. The next thing, landing page creator. This is an external system. It's a friend has built this for us. I'll let you have a look around there, but again, it's a downline builder, and the tools, the programs in the early birds is in here. Again, we'll have to do a separate hangout on this, I think, because the capture page system it's a really cool tool,
it's too much,
but it's too much to talk about today. But the access for that is in the back office. I'll just have to go back. I've lost my page. Just give us a second.
Is it free to get that downline builder? I mean that
capture page system. Yeah,
capture page.
There's a free version to that as well. It's we'll try and make everything. There's obviously the free you get less, but there's always everything we put out there. We'll always try and put a free version. You can upgrade your membership. So when you first sign up, you've got an option to upgrade, and To be honest, it's better to do it direct because you get a reduction. I've did it on purpose where it shows you the prices, and then the next page it'll click and it'll say, "Are you sure? Today I'm offering this price." So if you wanna upgrade, do it. It's better to do it straight away because later on it's going to cost you the full price. Again, you can view all the members. Can't do much with it, but you can view the members. You can contact them. Contact support. So if you've got a question, click that. This pops up. Send your message. We'll just test. Send it. That message will come to me. Your message has been sent.
And Jim's got a vast crew of people. He's got a staff of about what, 10, 12 people that'll. I'm kidding. It's just Jim, guys.
I wish that people. But actually, I might do a redirect. So maybe Willie's going to pick some of these. Willie and Tammy.
Yeah, I can help out with that for sure.
I'm sure. But basically, you don't have to.
Hey Jim, especially after your promo, I'm going to have to help out with that.
I'm telling you, but I'll explain the promo in a minute. So again, frequently asked questions. Everything's self-explanatory in there. Read. You know, a lot of people rush. Take your time, just read it. All the information is there. If you're not sure about something, send us a contact support, and I'll answer you. And the last but not least, visit the Early Birds sites. Early Birds Team Builder. I'll not click on every. Well, I will go on. I will. And we're going to have Willie just pop up there. I'll just close them down. So it sends your members back to this site, and this site is where all the help pages are and the help videos for all the programs in the team build, Early Birds team build. So it's a way of sort of sending people again for yourself as well, because it's Early Birds this, Early Birds that, Early Birds this. So I've decided to put them all in one place. BTC Early Birds, landing page creator, Early Birds social media, and again I'm going to put the social media more prominent on this site, and we'll go. I think Willie will go into that a little bit later. So that'll take them to the social media site, and again rotator links all embedded in these videos. So it's everything's like a massive circle. It's like a home. You know, everything you need to know about the Early Birds, how to promote the Early Birds, how to build your downline because it's built into this system. How to send, place advertisements, how to send emails, collect emails, traffic links. You know, it's literally it's like I could go crazy in this place, and you can join for free. It's not necessary. You know, you don't have to start off as a paid member. I would recommend because you get. I'll explain the compensation plan. I left that for last. That tab there in the advertisement. This is what you will get as a free member. You'll get 5,000 points. As a silver member, you'll get 100,000 points. As a platinum member, you'll get 200,000 points. And these are one-time payments. It's not a monthly payment. It's not a yearly payment. Obviously, free is free. $47. That's a lifetime payment. And for that lifetime payment, you'll get, rewarded these points. Now, that's a good start. So I think once you've joined $47 or $67, that will keep you going for a long time. And remember, you're earning more points. So it's like a good boost. But the main reason really why you want to upgrade from silver to platinum, commissions. When you're advertising this downline builder, even as a free member, so there's no pressure. I'm not saying if you haven't got the budget for it, don't worry about it just now. Join as a free member, promote it. If anybody who joins your system buys anything, like a silver package or a platinum package, you'll earn 25% commission, even as a free member. You do not have to pay. Like I said, I would recommend it because if you're a silver member, you'll earn 40% commission on all referral commissions. Anybody who you promote this to and they go silver, you'll make 40%. If you're a silver member, you'll make 40% commissions if they're platinum or silver. And also when they buy ad credits for life. So you pay an example, we'll go platinum, you pay $67, you'll get, 200,000 points to start you off. So you've got a hell of a lot of points to start adding banners and sending emails and whatever. You'll earn more points as well when you click on other people's ads. So, as a free member, it's 50 points every time that you read a text ad or your HTML ad. Basically, it's 50 points per ad. Solo emails, we've upped it a little bit. As a silver member, you earn 100 points. As a platinum member, you earn 150. So to be honest, $67 lifetime payment, you'll never need to buy points. If you're clicking people's ads, I don't think you'll ever run out of points. The platinum member, you'll earn 50% commissions again. So I'll give you a quick example. Say Willie joins me. I'm a platinum member. And then Willie joins as a free member. I'll make 50% of free because he's not paid any, on the initial sale. But when Willie starts buying points, and he could spend $100, he could spend $200 over lifetime. Every single time Willie buys new points, I will make 50% commission on the sale of him buying those points. So it's think about it. Yeah, it's definitely. And again, when you sign up from the initial page, the first time you'll get it cheaper. I've set it up that way, so it's an incentive to make you, push you along. It's, what do they call it, in upsell or downsell? The downsell. But it's definitely something to consider to upgrade. Now I'm going to stop sharing. I think I'm going to stop sharing.
Man, that was a lot of information, Jim.
I know.
And I'm going to be honest. There's some things that you've tweaked that I haven't seen because it's been a minute since I've gone back to our download builder. I'm enthusiastic about the download builder now.
everything. It's not about joining as a free member. This is not about come and pay early bird $67 or $47. Join as a free member, but I would highly because the points. If you join in as a $67 membership, you'll never need to buy points again because you've got that big boost of points in your stock, shall we say. Plus, you're clicking ads and clicking emails, you'll earn the points. Or you can take the free membership and then run out of points fairly soon, and then have to buy points. But again, long term, remember yesterday, pennies make pounds. I prefer everyone to join me as a free member and then buy points, and I'll be making 50% commissions on every single time that these people buy points. So it's no, go free and buy points. I'll make more Bitcoin, but or your referral will make more, but not just me. I'm talking about my personal signups. The game. But today, I've been literally since yesterday's hangout. Today, I've been tweaking, and I'm giving away $40,000 worth of free points. And how I'm going to do that, don't get excited because click the link and say, where's me $40,000? Because that's not how it's going to work. Anybody, basically what I've done is I've set up a promo code. Okay, and the promo code is free points. Now, if you're watching this hangout, you'll hear free points, lowercase. And I'm going to quickly go back to the screen share just to show you
where to put it in.
Where to put in this promo code. I'll just make sure that I'm sharing first. Am I sharing? Give us a thumbs up.
Yes, you're sharing.
Okay, so I'll just quickly go back over here. When you want to collect this promo, if you just pop over to advertising, buy, setup, advertising, stats, etc. Redeem promo code, and all you have to do is in here just pop in free, no spaces, free points, and then redeem code. What that'll do is I think I'll stop sharing again. What that'll do is that'll give you 20,000 free points. So that's worth $40, and I'm going to give away 1,000 of those. It's set up in the system. So when the first 1,000 is collected, the first 1,000 people pop in that promo code, free points, promo's finished. But there's actually 1,001 because I did a test just to make sure that it works. But if you're already a member, and I thought about this earlier, if you're already a member of the downlinebuilder.com, earlybirdsdownlinebuilder.com, don't panic. You still qualify. All you have to do is just log into your account, go to that page, pop in the same code, free points, and you'll get your 20,000 points. It's not just for new members; it's existing members as well. We have to be fair to everybody. Yeah. So it's. Did you want to say something, Willie?
No, I'm digesting this because I have a list of free members that are in my referrals, and yeah, I want to make sure that they get access to that too. Now, this is for people that are coming out that are free.
No. Even if it's open, it's an open house. If you're a free member, a silver member, or a platinum member, if you want to collect those 20,000 points, just pop in that promo code.
Wow. Okay. Okay.
There's no, we have to be loyal to our people who are already there, and there's we have a lot of people who've paid silver and premium memberships who feel a bit disgruntled because they've paid that, and why have I not got me? So I've left it open for everybody, existing members, new members, free, silver, platinum, both ways. Just pop in the free points code in that section, click submit. But what's happened when those 1,001 people have collected, it's game over. So don't hang around there, because I already know you're going to be emailing your list. You're going to be contacting your list, and you're going to say, pop in this free code, man. You've got
exactly.
You've got free banners. So don't hang around, because when they're gone, they're gone. Simple as that.
Fantastic. That's it. $40,000, and it's no joke. No scam, no make believe. It's $40,000 worth of advertising that we're giving away free.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly.
It's amazing.
It's something that it just popped into my head, and I thought, let's get some balls rolling here. Because, and another thing, the reason I did it was that if you're the global 2x2 example, you can, if you've got a prospect, say, yeah, join this. It's $2, blah blah blah, to join. I'll hook you up to $40, $20 worth of free advertising, and you've got a free downline builder for that program. Now that prospect you're giving that away to might join your other programs, which is in that downline builder. So you're going to make sales without having to pitch them. Join this one, and then you join this one, and then you join this one. It's automatically in the back office of your downline builder. And if this is the cool bit about it, if they don't join, example, let's say Traffic Wave, just an example, they'll promote their program, and then their person will join your Traffic Wave. So if they don't join, then you've got two people promoting your Traffic Wave.
Because remember, when you have, this is what's really awesome about this downline builder, and understand this: you go in and you have joined every program. Somebody in, they may not want to join every program, and that's okay. As they're promoting their downline builder and building what they're really focused on, they're putting more eyes on your business.
Yep.
It works out to everyone's advantage. So when I bring in Max, and I've joined everything, and Max says, you know what, I don't want Traffic Wave, I have my own autoresponder. Great, because as Max is using the downline builder, other people will look at it and say, you know what, I want that Traffic Wave, I want that autoresponder. They put their code and stuff in it. Willie, because I got Max in, will get the benefit of it.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to quickly share my screen one. I think when I'm coming up, I know it's a long hangout. I'm just going to share my screen one more time, just to I'll just go back to the main page.
We got you. It's good.
The sign up page. Now remember, going back to the story right at the beginning, you're promoting one link, your referral link for the downline builder. When someone clicks that link, it could be, RevShare or banner, or it could be whatever. They'll come to this page. And this page is basically whether they join the downline builder or not. It's got your blog of your choice, what you've set up, your Facebook. They can visit your Facebook, they can visit your Twitter, They can, again, promote. You can promote any business you like, your top 5 businesses. This banner is your banner, what you've set up in your settings. So you've got, obviously you want them to join the downline builder, but if they don't, it's still a way of promoting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places. You're literally promoting nine links from one URL. That's at the very, very start. And again, as it rolls on, it's a way of building your downlines if they go further. And remember the commissions, you can make commissions every time they buy something, points wise, advertising points for life, for a one-time fee of, I think, $47 or $67. The higher the higher the level, the more commissions you're going to make. So it's literally everything bundled into one. I should, to be honest, since last night, this hangout last night, I've been working. My fingers are sore. But
it makes sense. I mean, we should have actually, and you're right. Jim started out our collaboration before we got on this. He said, "Why haven't we been doing this?" I was laughing. I said, "You're right. We should have already been promoting this. We use it, so why not?"
Exactly. I know. And all
right, Jim.
I've got one last. I'm not going to say the surprise, but I've got something cooking. The next thing for the early birds, and I'm pretty excited about it. But it'll be a little while before I'll be able to say what it is. But we're not just sitting. Okay, we're done. It's always moving. But get in there, early birds. The earlybirdsdownline.com. Sign up. Remember the code, 3 points. And I'll even pop in the share code below this hangout. When I post the hangout, I'll pop in the share code. But first 1,000 people, it's gone. So don't hang around. So that's me. I'm done.
All right, let me jump in. I won't take as long. I promise. We really wanted Jim to get in there. I'm going to share my screen, Jim.
Okay.
Now, so let me know if I'm sharing, please.
Yep.
Okay. Jim already went here. I just wanted you guys to see what I had. And Jim, remember your last share, you did what I was going to do. So, but he already covered it. We have everything listed here, your description. I wanted to cover this though. When you share this, he already showed where you can share using banners and text ads, and you can just share the one link, right? The person comes to sign up. The sign up process is easy. They put in their username, password, they confirm the password, their name, their email, and they hit join free. That's it. This, again, we try to keep everything so simple. And I say this all the time in my Facebook Live videos. It's so simple a 5th grader could do it. It is so easy. So, but I just wanted to show that I have my own page. There's me, my picture, all the different businesses we promote. And I'm really excited about this, guys, and how this is set up. Lightning fast go through and touch base on the program that we're really focused on right now. It's Global 2x2. As you saw in Jim's picture, that he's got a lot of points and sales and cycles and things rocking. Well, this is why we actually have a system set up to where we build for our team. Now, I say that build for them. We're actually building with them. We're taking people to this page. And again, this is what the leaders are doing. We're directing people to this page to help build for our team. As our team members come in, we definitely encourage them to bring in their own people and to build and bring as many people in as possible. But as they come in here, they come to this page, they hit this link, and hopefully this will load quickly, and it did. Okay, and then when they come to this link, all they have to do is share. And what they share is actually there's 2 videos that are lined up in the system, and they share the videos. And they either use Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Tumblr, Pinterest, or LinkedIn. Any one of these formats, you share 2. Okay, and after you share 2, it'll bring you back to the page, and then you put your information in as far as your actual sign up. What is it called? Brain dumping. Your actual code or your personal login information for Global 2x2, and then boom, you're instantly put into the rotator. And as people are coming into the business, as I bring more people in, as Jim brings more people in, Tammy, as we share videos from this. Now, when I say share videos, where are they coming from? Where are they going to? Media center. This is our media center. And as we are sharing videos, when people go to a particular video, let's go right here, talk about the global 2x2. They will share the video. This is the video that they're actually sharing. When the person sees the video that they're sharing, Facebook or Twitter or whichever one of those platforms that we're using, I'm waiting for it to load because I don't want it to blast you out here. They get to see the information. What's cool and why we've done this, and did I already pause it? Okay, the reason we've done this is to bring them to one site to where, guess what? They're in our world, our personal YouTube, if you would, for early birds. Because everything that's in this system, all the headings and everything that's here, go back to that downline builder. You know, if you think about the downline builder and the programs that we have, Traffic Wave, Infinity, Push, all the programs that we're focused on right now, Global 2x2, that deal with advertising and income, where our channel directs them to that. Now, granted, it doesn't have to be just about marketing, but I'm just showing you one of the videos that we're actually sharing right now. So they come to the video. The person goes on Facebook. You know, I've shared this video. I shared that link. The person would come here. They watch the video. If they want to be redirected and watch more information on that, that's great. They're directed to this link, and this is what I was getting to. They're directed to this link. When they hit this link, and they go, you know what, this looks cool. How do I get on this rotator? Full circle, and it brings them right back here. So it's a really cool, really simple system. We don't ask you to, you know, spend a ton of money. We're not asking you to do all these things to get, you know, requirements or qualified. We're just asking you to, and actually in reality, you should share once you get in our team, and we'll show you what this is about, and you can actually get more information on it. We're asking that you share even more videos. And those videos can be located in my profile or Jim's profile, or actually our Early Birds Facebook group too. But it's really neat. Just on this one page, you can look at and see our primary featured program. You see how to get it in the rotator. Oh, by the way, we're really about backbone income. If you want to get in the Traffic Wave, you can get the Traffic Wave. We've already got the emails lined out for you. Talked about the free lead page system. It's a marketing system. It's just not a lead page creator, by the way. And here's how you can actually get that system. We have a ton of information. If you look, everything is redirecting people back to all the programs that we're in. And guys, each one of these programs, actually, we build for you and with you. I want you to understand that. It's not just about us and the leadership and what we're doing. So I wanted to focus on that and make sure you understood the Media Center. When you share the videos from our Facebook, or you share the videos from, you're redirecting people to actually get into the rotator, and you're sharing those videos, that's taking them to the Media Center where they can get access to, I mean, all the resources, everything we have here, Bitcoin education, the tool suite that we have. There's so much here that you can get into, and we're giving it to you for free. We have a video on just about anything and everything to teach you and show you about what we're doing. So it's really exciting. I'll leave that there. I was going to go through some other stuff about the downline builder. I don't have to. Let me stop sharing real quick. I always hit the wrong button.
We're time's nearly up. Yeah, you've stopped sharing, but time's nearly up, so we're going to have to stop. Otherwise, YouTube, I think you've got an hour. YouTube's going to
and that's what I said. I wanted to fly through that and make sure we get all that in there. Okay, Jim, real quick, I'll give you 2 words and then let me close it out. Space on.
No, just get yourself, 3 points. That's all you have to do, 3 points.
All right, and I was going to get to that. In the description for this video, we're going to have the actual code, the promo code. We're going to have a link redirecting to that page that I showed you. We should actually put in our Facebook group, and make sure you get access to the early birds. If you have any questions on anything, just reach out to Jim or me or Tammy, and we're right here to support you guys. Stopping by, this is Willie G, and this is Jim. See, here we go. Here's the finger. Go ahead.
No, that was the thumbs up. That was the thumbs
Oh,
up.
okay.
That's the
All right,
feeling.
guys. All right, guys, we're done. We'll see y'all
Have a
later.
good weekend.
Bye.